Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in good health and ready to learn. So, I hope all of you have a notebook and a pen with you. If you do not have, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to just take out your max notebook and your pen and just be ready. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, TWO, ONE, 0. Okay, yeah. So, can everyone read the objective? Students will be able to solve questions with TN. Uh, Hopefully, I hope that all of you do remember what is TN and what is an arithmetic progression. I'm just going to do a quick recap in 1 minute. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers that has a common difference. एक सीक्वेंस है जिसमें नंबर के बीच में एक कॉमन डिफरेंस है दैट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस लाइक 5 8 11 difference between 8 and 5 is 3, between 11 and 8 is 3, so the common difference is there is 3. So the equation of nth term, suppose there is an nth term, उसका इक्वेशन है tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is called the first term, so in this equation the first term is 5 and d means common difference. Yeah, if this much you can remember, I just want you to write down the sample question and write the question down. Find Tn for the following AP. Also find the 30th term of the AP, and an AP is also given niche 3, 8, 13, 18. Just I want you to just read the question fast in the next 10 seconds, slowly and silently. Okay, I'm just going to call everyone back. So what is there in the question? An AP is given and they have asked you to find the Tn for the following AP. So first of all, what is the equation for Tn? If you look above in the paper, you can see Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first we are going to find d. D is common difference. So first of all, we have given numbers like t1 is equal to 3. T1 means term 1. T2, that is the second term. This is the first term, t1, that we have given as 3. T2 is 8, given as 8. T3 will be 13. So what will be this? This will be T4. Okay. So Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. So pehla we need to find the d. D is T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term, so we get 5. This can also be T3 minus T2. It can also be T4 minus T3. Yeah. So you get the D, that is a common difference. And A is the first term, that is 3. Next, we are going to move forward. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now they have asked you to find the 30th term, right? So moving forward, T30, or that is the 30th term, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N here is 30. So 30 minus 1 into D, this is 3 plus 30 minus 1 is 29, sorry, 29 into 5. Now you're going to do 29 into 5, that is 145. 3 plus 145 is equal to 148. You got the 30th term. Clear? I hope this is clear for each and every one of you. And using this video, just write this question and answer down in your notebook. Next, I want you to go to the second question. Which term of the following AP is 560? And you have given a arithmetic progression of 2, 11, 20, 21, 29, etc. Just going to give you 5 seconds to just quickly read the question, kind of understand how to do the question. Okay, 2, 1. Do I have everyone's attention? Yes. Okay. So, pehla, which term of the following AP is 560? And an AP is given. So, इसमें तो clear है कि 560 ये AP का एक number है. We are sure that 560, the question has said that 560 is a part of this AP. लेकिन हमको नहीं पता है 560 कितना number है. Like here we know that 20 is a part of the AP and 20 is the third term, correct? 1, 2, 3, third term. 29 is the fourth term. So similarly 560 is a part of the AP, लेकिन मालूम नहीं है कितना term है. We don't know which term it is. So again, we are just going to write down what we know. T1 is 2, T2 is 11, T3 is 20. You find the D. D is T2 minus T1. That is here 11 minus 2, 9. You get D. Next you find the first term, that is A. A is first term, T1, right? 2. Now you know the equation, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So you just know one equation at this point, right? So make sure that you find the A and D from the arithmetic progression given. Make sure that you find A and D. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the question says that 560 is a term. So we assume that 560 is the nth term. I'm going to repeat one more time. हमको 560 इसका एक मेंबर है वो मालूम है. So we are going to assume, हम assume करेगा 560 nth term है. So Tn will be 560 है ना. If 20 is the third term, then T3 is 20. So if 560 is the nth term, Tn will be 560. Moving forward. So again, we are just going to write the equation. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. A के Tn के स्थान पे I wrote 560 and A is 2 and D is 9 है ना. तो अभी ये equation में we know all the numbers except n. So we can solve this. To solve this, I take the 2 to this side. So 560 minus 2, that is 558. अभी इतना बाकी है, n minus 1 into 9, right? So if this into 9 comes here, what will it become? Into will become divide. 550 divided by 9. You get answer as 62. So n minus 1 is equal to 62. N will be, a minus 1 will come this side. 62 plus 1, which is equal to 63. So you know that 560 is the 63rd term. ये AP में ऐसा जाके 63rd term, 63rd number will be 560. Just go through the question one more time, it will be very clear. Now I have another question. Suppose this answer was a decimal number. अब लोग सोचो कि ये आंसर एक decimal number था. So do you think 560 will be a member? Just going to repeat it one more time. Imagine इधर 62 के स्थान पे you got 62.5. Imagine, ठीक है? अगर 62.5 इधर मिला तो do you think 560 will be a member of the arithmetic progression? The answer is no. क्यों? क्योंकि ये nth term है. So this is the first term, this is second term. Do you have the 2.5th term? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है ना. There is first term, there is second term, there is third term, there is fourth term, but there is no 4.5th term or 4.9th term. So this n should always be a positive number, positive integer, right? ये पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए, डेसिमल नहीं होना चाहिए, नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. तो अगर नेगेटिव नंबर या डेसिमल है तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? जो Tn दिया है वो उसका एक मेंबर नहीं है. कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड, I want you to read the next question. Third question. Check whether 301 is in the sequence 5, 11, 17, 23. Just want you to think about this question once. Okay. In this case, I just want you to... So first of all, in the previous two questions, it was clearly said that following AP. Here, do you see that it is said that it is a AP? They just said sequence, right? So first you need to make sure that this is an AP. How do you make that it is an AP? How do you make sure that it's an AP? पहले T1, T2, T3 वगैरह लिखेगा. Just do T2 minus T1. Answer is 11 minus 5, 6. अगला T3 minus T2 करो. T3 minus T2. 17 minus 11, which is also 6. So you get common difference. So sequence is an AP. अभी तो if I got 7 here, is this a AP? No, because it doesn't have a common difference. Now you know that A is equal to 5. That is, from here we found that A is equal to 5. So A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 6. Now we are going to imagine that 301 is the nth term. Just like how we did in the last question. Last question we assumed that 560 is an nth term. अभी हम assume करेगा 301 is an nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. 301 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. 5 इस साइड में आया 301 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 301 minus into 5 is 296. n minus 1 into 6 ऐसे लिखा. n minus 1 is equal to 296. ये इंटू 6 इस साइड आए तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो क्या आया इधर 49.33. n minus 1 is equal to 49.33. So n will be 49.33 plus 1, 50.33. n is coming as a decimal number. N is coming as a decimal number. Do you think then 301 is a member of the AP? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? The answer is no, right? The answer is no, because this is a decimal number. Like there is no 50.33rd term. 50th term होता है, 51st term होता है, लेकिन 50.33 term नहीं होता है. So n is not an integer. 301 is not a part of the AP. Clear? So I've given you 3 questions now. I want each and every one of you just to pause the video and write the question along with the steps. After doing this, I am going to send a worksheet for this. I want you to closely solve the worksheet, and I'll also send you the answer sheets by evening, so you'll be able to just fully get it. Yeah, and any doubt that you have, please reach out to me. I'm just going to wish you a good day. Sit at home, have fun, study, wash your hands, and I'm missing all of you a lot, and hopefully we can meet as soon as possible. Okay guys, bye bye.